back to our pronunciation lesson. Today, we're going to take a look at the ending th sound. Are you ready? Great. Me too. Let's begin. Alright, now let me explain how to do the ending th sound. There are 3 important points. First, put your tongue between your teeth about 1 centimeter, like this. Next, you're going to keep your tongue still. Then after that, blow air through your teeth, like this. Let's try one more time. Now when you blow air through your teeth, you should hold it about 2 seconds. About 2 seconds, okay? Like this. Okay, let me explain more in detail. Please watch carefully. Okay, did you get that? Great. Okay, now it's time to practice some ending th words. Ready? Great, me too. Alright, let's begin. Okay, please repeat after me. Bath, path, math, both, with, month, fourth, fifth, tooth, teeth. Okay, very good. Let's try it one more time. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. Okay, please repeat after me. Bath, path, math, both, with, month, fourth, fifth, tooth, teeth. Okay, very good. Okay, now make sure when you're doing the ending th sound, your tongue is between your teeth about 1 centimeter, and then you're holding it still, holding your tongue still, and blowing air out through your teeth, like this. That's your checkpoint. So for example, bowl, or bath. Okay, now remember, put your tongue between your teeth about 1 centimeter, and keep it still, and then air coming through your teeth for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. If you hold out your air for 2 seconds, you will have a good and nice ending th sound. Okay, now it's time for the pronunciation challenge. Are you ready? Great, me too. Alright, please repeat after me. First, slowly. I have to do my math after I take my bath. I have to do my math after I take my bath. Okay? Now you try. Okay, pretty good. Can you try one more time? Ready, go. Okay, great job. Okay, are you ready to say native speed? Okay, please listen first. Here we go. I have to do my math after I take my bath. I have to do my math after I take my bath. Now you try. Okay, almost. One more time. Don't give up. Ready, go. All right, very good. Okay, today's lesson was how to say the ending th sound. Remember, there are 3 key points. First, put your tongue between your teeth about 1 centimeter. Then keep your tongue still. Then blow air through your teeth like this. Once again, first, put your tongue between your teeth about 1 centimeter. Second, hold your tongue still. And third, blow air through your teeth for about 2 seconds. Great. If you remember those 3 points, you can say and you can pronounce the ending th sound very, very clearly. Great. That's all for today. See you next time. Have a nice day.